Hi, in this video as an office goer, I'll show you how I made 22,400 rupees profit by doing swing trading and options. So this video is about the option swing trading and you will learn what is the logic behind this trade and trade setup for this option swing trading. Let's swing into this option swing trading video. So the stock selected is power grid stock for this option swing trade. The setup is looking like this in a 1 day time frame, and you can see the support line in the green color in the bottom and the top side the resistance line in the red color. So I quickly mark up the resistance support line. So here is one resistance 1 and here is the resistance 2, and this area is the support and this one is again support. So basically there are two resistance and two supports at the bottom, and then I given an entry in this point when as I said in the every video, when the price comes out of the moving average band. So that is the value area. Why value area? Because that's where we get the best risk to reward ratio. So as usual, I took an entry when the price came out of the moving average band area. So honestly speaking, so this stock I first entered in a cash market by investing 1 lakh. Yes, so by investing 1 lakh I entered in cash segment for the swing trade. So after seeing for 2 hours and 3 hours, the price momentum was very good, the strength is very good. So that's how I thought of taking an entry in options also, so that I need not focus on too many stocks. Being an office going trader, so I can focus on one stock and I take two entries in options as well as in cash, so that this is like a two-in-one combo style. I did a option swing trade as well as cash swing trade, and I'm going to watch only one stock for following up, because as an office goer we know we don't have time for monitoring so many stocks, and we don't have time for screen time for monitoring the stocks. The entry point is this, and then the stop loss area is this. So the stop loss will be just below the moving average band, and then the take profit area is here. This is the take profit area. So the risk to reward ratio, here you can see from the risk to reward ratio tool, it is 1:2. So I'm aiming for 1:2 for options swing trading and not for the cash swing trading. Now this video is exclusive for option swing trading. So I aim for 1:2 risk to reward ratio for option swing trade. So I marked up the entry. So this will be the entry, 1 minute. So this is the entry, this is the stop loss, and here is the profit. So I exactly closed the trade when I found a rejection from the major resistance line. I just closed the option swing trade here. Why? Because as I said in the beginning, so I find two resistance, two times the price got rejected from the top, and this could be a major reversal point in this time also. So I don't want to take risk in options. So I just booked the profit and enjoyed the profit here in options, and I still continue the trade in cash. So for the cash swing trading, still the trade is running and it is active. So only for the option swing trading, I closed the trade, I just booked the profit and enjoyed the profit. So this is how I made 22,400 rupees profit by doing swing trading in options. So as I said, as an office goer, since I didn't have time to follow too many trades with one single stock, I took a entry both in the cash as well as options because the momentum was really good. So I took the entry in options also, and that I leveraged the time for doing this trade and booked the profit as per the plan in 1:2. That is very important. because just by seeing the profit on the screen is nothing to going to help me. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. And also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.